Make a great choice today with the 2026 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, fog lamps, remote trunk release, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.